Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful scarf. Very easy, only 2 rows and repeat. You can make it as wide as you like and as long as you want. You need acrylic yarn, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice. This is a number 3 category. Each one is about 250 grams. I use almost 2 cakes because I want the scarf to be cozy and long. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. The chain is in multiple of 4 plus 2. I chain 68 plus 2, total 70 chains for the scarf. And for demonstration purpose, my chain is going to be 28 plus 2, so 30 chains. To begin the first row, start on the second chain. That's 1, 2, this one. Turn to the back and place a single crochet into the back of the chain. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Skip the next chain, then place a double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And place 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. Total 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Skip the next chain, single crochet, skip the next chain, 3 double crochet. One, 2, 3. Skip 1, single crochet, and try to keep your stitches loose. And repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row, after the 3 double crochet, skip the next stitch and single crochet into the last stitch. To begin row 2, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet stitch. 1 more chain, total 4 chains. Then turn, in the first stitch, place a double crochet. Skip the next stitch. In the second stitch of the 3 double crochet stitches, place a single crochet. Skip 1. In the single crochet stitch, place a double crochet. 1 chain and double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, double crochet, 1 chain, and double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. Repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of row 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the second double crochet stitch. Skip 1. In the last stitch, double crochet, 1 chain, and double crochet. To begin row 3, 1 chain and turn. Skip the first stitch. In the 1 chain space, place a single crochet. Skip the next stitch. In the single crochet stitch, place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch. In the chain space, place a single crochet. Skip the next stitch and 3 double crochet. Basically, this is the repeat of the first row, and repeat this all the way to the end. At the end of the row, single crochet into the 1 chain space. Four chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. In the first stitch, place a double crochet. Skip 1, single crochet into the second double crochet stitch. Skip 1, in the single crochet stitch, place a double crochet. 1 chain and a double crochet. Skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1, double crochet. 1 chain and double crochet. From here, repeat row 3 and row 4 for as many times as you like for your scarf. After you reach the length you want for your scarf, 1 chain and turn. From here, place a single crochet into every stitch. Single crochet into the chain space. Single crochet into a double crochet stitch. Single crochet. And at the end of the row, single crochet into the chain space, 1 chain, and cut yarn. Lastly, within the tails. I hope you liked today's project, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!